Welcome, it's Jensen DIY All, and today
we're going to be planting our seeds for this summer in this Burpee reusable pop-out seed starting kit. So stick along with us and see how this goes. Also going to be using the Burpee organic seed starting mix with this pop-out kit. But one of the cool things is on the back of the label, they actually provided a grid that you can use to remember where your seeds are. And if anybody's ever seed started, this is a huge thing. Now these have little silicone bases to help you pop it out and plant it outside when it's completed, which is a huge plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these filled up, and then we're gonna stop back and plant our seeds. Now, while I get these moistened and ready for our seeds, let us know in the comments below what your favorite items are to start from seed and plant outside, or even keep inside if you have a greenhouse.
this is my favorite seed, and I'm going to be doing a whole entire row of it.
So Son is a huge fan of sweet peppers. So we're going to go ahead and do an entire row down of that, and then we're going to go back and fill in the others with something else. So for column 2, we ended up doing snap peas. Column 3, we ended up doing stringless green beans. And the last column, we ended up doing a mix of tomatoes. So if you want to see what that mix is and how they turn out, be sure to hit that subscribe. The last step for us is to put it in a sunny spot we like in front of our sliding glass window on this glass shelf. Now, if you want to see how to do these seed pots right here, click this video below. If you enjoyed this video, and if you did,
Please consider liking and subscribing.
take care.
Have a great day.